How to create a new partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Whether you want to organize your files better or set up a new drive, we've got you covered, so let's get started. Creating a new partition can help you manage your data more efficiently. We'll use the built-in disk management tool to do this. Make sure you back up any important data before making changes to your partitions. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Press Win plus X on your keyboard, or you can right click on your Start button and open Disk Management. And select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. This will open the Disk Management tool where you can see all your drives and partitions. Shrink an existing partition. To create a new partition, and you need unallocated space. If you don't have an allocated space, you'll need to shrink an existing partition. Right click on the partition you want to shrink, usually your main drive, and select Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space you can shrink. Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. After shrinking, you should use C on allocated space. Right click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the New Simple Volume widget. Click Next, specify the volume size, and click Next again. Choose a drive letter for your partition and click Next. Now verify the new partition. You should now see a new partition listed in Disk Management and File Explorer. You can start using it right away, and that's it. You've successfully created a new partition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.